bafethu yabona like abantu bakhohlakele bafethu. Bafethu like yo hayi bafethu, that's why mina like yabona ama-order wasekasa ngisawa-entertain yabo. Cause abantu basekasi banale tendency yokufaka ama-address wrong. Maqeda ngacabanga ukuthi ngisemsebenzini mina, ngisebenza ngesikhathi, ngine-target okumele ngishaya. Bafethu bengifuna ukushaya i-target yami namhlanje khonanga uyishaya. Yabo. Engishoda nge-150. Bengishoda nge-150 ukuthi ngithi 1000. Engishoda nje nge-150 ukuthi ngithi 1000. Ende bengizoyishaya ju. Cause in fact bengitshelile ukuthi mangiqeda ukudropa le order Melrose, ngiya straight Uber Eats Market eRosebank. Manje sekumele ngivange ma-Alex. It's far for me to get there, Joe, because it's already 10 o'clock, mfethu. Yabo, it's already 10 o'clock. It's already 10 o'clock. Yabo, bafethu, when you order, bafethu, on Uber Eats or any app, make sure, bafethu, that it's either you rate the driver or you tip the driver. Because, bafethu, the things that we go through to get your food to you, that's a lot. And the other things that people do to us. Because at times when a driver is waiting 10 minutes for you to come and fetch the order, there's orders la wangenayo at that moment, you are reject. There's orders angenayo look our reject. Just for you to come and get your food. So bafethu, I will say this to those people who've been tipping me, about those who are tipping me and rating me, God bless you all, bafethu. I pray that God will make you more rich and more, give you more money and more money. To all these people that have been tipping me, bafethu, ever since I started this journey of scooter, I pray that God gets to give you more money, a lot of money. Not just madlanyana. Because why? What you are doing, it's very wonderful. There's people who can't do that. Just like this couple engbuya kuyo, this couple like they come out there with alcohol in their hands to come and fetch their KFC. And then they go and tell me that they don't have a 30 rand for tip, while they first gave me the wrong address. The trip was paying 26 rand. 5 kilometers, then I had to travel another 5.5. That's 10 kilometers. Then when I get there, I have to wait for the custom. Bafethu, I don't know, Bafethu, but yeah, like I don't know, but I'm the most kind person in the world. Most kind person you'll ever find in the world, Bafethu. Like I wanna manje, inhliziyo yami bafethu iphukile. Yabo, inhliziyo yami like if it's a shabalala into pieces, Bafethu. Because why? The first time I did this, made an exception for a customer. She said to me, I am rude. When I asked her why is she taking so long to come out, she said to me, I am rude. I don't know what will this couple say about me. Yabo. If she couldn't even like ngimcela ukuthi angirate again. But she didn't rate a nigga. She didn't even fucking rate a nigga. Ama ratings were masamile lapha ku-87. Ama customers angirate la 87. Isamile da. Yabo. Isathi 96% ama ratings wami. So like I'm fucking pissed off, bafethu. Like way too pissed off. Yabo. To everybody who's using Uber Eats or any other app, bafethu, nisicabangele thina ezabo driver, asizi into zokuyuzwa. One thing for sure. Yabo, at times you must know these orders don't pay much. We're just doing out of kindness, man. Like I mean it, bafethu. Yabo, like I mean it. It's all kindness. Yabo, it's sometimes just kindness, nothing more. Yabo. At times, bafethu, you'll get an order that doesn't pay as much. Sometimes orders they pay 17 rand. And then the person is going to make you zula around as if each and every order it's 100 rand. Each and every order it's 100 rand because it's how people are treating us at times. It's like these orders, they pay more money. At times these orders don't pay money, dog. Then people gonna treat, yo, fuck that shit, Joe. Yabo. Mina to everybody. Fuck those, Buffett, yabo, who are cruel. Yabo, fuck everybody who's fucking cruel, bro. Yabo, fuck all evil people, Joe. Tag. Yabo, tag to everyone who khohlakele out there. Yabo, one day, God will bless me. Will bless me so big to a point of which nobody will ever be above me. God will bless me with billions, because Joe, I am too kind for this world. I have a very soft heart and I have a soft spot for humans. For what reason, I don't know. I never created no human being. So I have a faith. I'm requesting, Buffett, can someone come and fetch my heart? Can someone come and take my heart? Yeah, like, come take my heart. You take my heart, you put it, I don't know, somewhere, man. Yabo. I now want to be evil. Yabo. Now I wanna be an evil motherfucker. Simple as that, man. Yabo. Someone can come and take my heart. Fuck the kindness in me. Now I wanna be evil. I wanna be fucking evil. And I will be evil. I will be cruel. I will be fucking cruel because people are fucking cruel, man. Like mina nkwatile bafethu. Yabo, like nkwatile, Joe. Nkwatile mfethu. So, can someone come and fetch this heart and give it back to God? Can someone take my heart and give it to God? I wanna be evil.